That is typing here. The land title for Adekokwok sub-county be reclaimed. The process for transferring the title be altered. This meant, Town Clerk, this recommendation you should take it very serious. A letter from our division must be written to EMSO, asking them to hold the transfer. The payment of arrears of 93,240,000 be followed. A letter must be written to Uganda Police Headquarters to demand for arrears. 15,540,000 shilling as 50% of rental share for Lira City Division be remitted by Lira City Council within financial year 2023-2024. Mr. Duncan, remember City Council chopped our money of us spending money at source. So this must be taken very serious. They must remit this money. Eviction of staff be altered. Police came as a tenant, but now they're the landlord. They want to claim as the landlord, yet they are still the tenant. The tenancy agreement be reviewed. Board of survey be annually done and report shared. Utilization of the division properties, including at the Adekokwok and Ngeta sub-county, be reviewed. Fraudulent acquisition of land be investigated. Diverted access roads be restored. Asset regulations of 2022 be urgently released. Newly created city-specific policies be enacted. Operations and maintenance plans for assets be developed. Political dialogue between Lira City and Lira District be held. Healthy information sharing between Lira City and Lira City Division be encouraged. Lira District should hand over documents belonging to Lira City. Routine monitoring of projects, assets, and programs should be done. Reports discussed and decision made. Ownership of all division assets be verified. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, the assignment was smartly executed as planned. We wish to commend ourselves for the dedicated part of our valuable time to verify the ownership of the sub-county property. We are also grateful to administration of Lira City's division for their technical guidance during the process. We are also very delighted to acknowledge the honesty and cooperation of our informants. The political will, passion from the mayor and Lira City's division cannot be unnoticed. The heartbeat of our activity was secure assets and make sure they are used for the right purpose. We are also mindful that in case of any transfer or takeover, let right procedures, policies, and regulations be followed. The facts we have put together are to offer guidance, information, and make council to be on the right track. I beg to move.
supposed to for further discussion. You move that motion again.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
He has not yet moved the motion. You move it again.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My
Honorable
name is
Nelson did not move that motion well.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My name is Opio Olol, the woman representative of Uganda Rongai. I'm seconding a motion being moved by Dalton.
Members, we have received motions